What's the meaning of cushion? Cushion. Cushion.
Cushion. Cushion. A cushion is an object used for sitting or resting that provides comfort and support. It typically consists of a soft pad filled with materials such as foam, feathers, or down, which is covered in fabric. Cushions can be used on chairs, sofas, beds, or even on the floor to provide a more comfortable surface. They can also be decorative and come in various shapes, sizes, colors, and patterns to complement the surrounding decor. Overall, cushions are a practical and comfortable addition to any seating or resting area.